Hello dear friend, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this video I'll be showing you 20 things that you need to do when you install your Ubuntu distribution, either 20.04 or any other distribution. So the first thing that you need to do is to update our machine, and to be able to do this I'll copy this command. I'll leave this command command in the description down below so that you can be able to do it. So I'll copy that command for us to be able to update and install the update to our Ubuntu. Then open terminal. Then after opening our terminal, I'll be able now to paste this command in the terminal and click enter. If you look carefully, this is both for update and upgrade, so that we do this all of them at the same time. So if you click enter, the installation process will start. It will ask you if you are sure, then type yes, that is why. Then you'll give it time, because it depends with how fast your internet connection is. Then you need to give it time for the process to be able to finish, so that this will be able to update your machine, so that you can be able to do so many other things in your computer. So give it time to be able to complete this. So you can see mine is progressing very well due to good internet that I'm using. So just give it some more time to complete. So as this process is continuing, because I can see it is taking some time due to how large it is, then we'll proceed to the next thing that we are supposed to do. The next thing is to install your favorite apps. For me, I'll start with just VLC, which is a video player. So I'll copy that command, and at the top here I can also open another tab and paste this one here. Then click enter your password. Then the VLC will be installed into your computer. VLC will be installed in your machine. So just give it time so that the installation process can start. This one is giving an error, but also you can have another option whereby you can be able to install. No, it is installing perfectly fine. You can see the installation is working fine. So just wait for the installation to complete so that you can be able to use your machine. On this other side, you can see still the update and upgrade installations are continuing. Let's check the next thing that we are supposed to do. Thing is also install Ubuntu extras for media cons. So for example, if I open my my folder here, Just a minute, it is opening. So if I open this and go to my videos, I have several videos here, and if I try to play this video, you realize that the video can't play because you don't softwares that can be able to encode your video. So that is whereby now we'll start installing the video encoder. So we go back to our terminal again, and we will try to install these softwares. We will try to install these softwares so that you can be able to play your videos on Ubuntu. So I'll copy this command also to install ubuntu-restricted-extras. I copy that, go back to terminal. Since you can see now the VLC is now fully installed, and if I type VLC, it is already here. So the next thing is that now we install the video extras, then we paste that and click enter. So I'll close this one because it is consuming the space that we have. So after you have entered, then the installation process will continue. That is whereby the extras will be now installed in your computer so that you can be able to use them. So the upgrade and update are still installing because they are large files. So let us wait for this one to complete. As it continues to complete, let's check the next thing that you are supposed to do. Then install your favorite browser. This one, for me, I am okay with using Firefox, but you can be able to download another software so that you can install it. For example, we have Chrome, which is a software that can be used for Ubuntu server or Ubuntu any desktop version that you are willing to use. The next step is setting your favorite applications. That is, you go to settings, under settings, you are required now to set up your favorite applications. That is, for example, video players, you have email readers, and so on and so forth. So make sure you set up either of them that you usually prefer to use as your default applications. Then the next thing is just scroll down all the way to default applications. Then you can select, you can change these ones. For example, I can change that to VLC. I can also change this other one to any other application that I want. And when you are done, just close that and proceed to the next level. The next thing that you're supposed to do is also add apps to your favorite. For example, if you look at the right hand corner on the left hand of your screen, you realize that there are several applications here. For example, let's say, for example, I want to add another application like maybe VLC. You just type VLC, select that one and add to your favorite, so that every time you open now, your favorite applications are available on this other end. Lastly is also to install the Ubuntu saving applications. That is, you can be able to use this command and save these applications into your desktop so that you can be able to use them. So you just paste their code there and enter your password, then click enter, and the installation process will be done. After doing all this stuff, make sure you restart your computer to make sure that it works efficiently and these applications have taken effects on your computer. Thank you so much.